Hello everyone. Welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about vectors, parallel, same line, and ratios. First, let's talk about parallel vectors. Two vectors are parallel if one is a scalar multiple of the other. For example, a equals 2, 4, and b equals 1, 2. Since a equals 2 times b, they are parallel. Parallel vectors can point in the same or opposite directions. Next, vectors on the same line. If two vectors have the same direction and also lie along the same straight path, they are called collinear. For example, if vector AB and vector PQ are parallel and overlap on the same line, they are collinear vectors. Now, let's look at ratios in vectors. When a point divides a line segment in a certain ratio, we use the section formula. If point P divides line AB in the ratio m to n, then OP equals open bracket n times OA plus m times OB close bracket divided by open bracket m plus n close bracket. For example, A equals 2, 4, B equals 8, 10, and P divides AB in the ratio 1 to 2. So OP equals open bracket 2 times 2, 4, plus 1 times 8, 10, close bracket divided by 1 plus 2. That equals 4 plus 8. 8 plus 10 divided by 3. That equals 12. 18 divided by 3. That equals 4. 6. So to summarize, parallel vectors are scalar multiples. Same line, collinear vectors lie on one straight line. Ratios can be solved using the section formula. And that's your introduction to vectors with parallel, same line, and ratios. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.